morning, class. Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start with the first chapter, Food. Where does it come from? We have already done about this chapter in earlier class also, but we will go in further detail in this chapter. First of all, let us understand the term food. Food से हमें क्या समझ में आता है? Food is something that we need to get energy. So they are the substances that provide us the required amount of energy to keep our body going on. Okay, so food items are eaten by us every day, but the items that we eat differ from breakfast to lunch to dinner. That means what we eat in breakfast, it differs from what we eat in lunch and in dinner, because we need different types of nutrients that will provide us the required amount of energy, growth and repairment of the body parts. So let's start with chapter. What did you eat at home today? Find out what your friend ate today. Did you eat the same kind of food yesterday and today? We all eat different kinds of food at different times. फर्स्ट एक्टिविटी, राइट डाउन इन योर बुक. जो बुक में आपको एक्टिविटी दी है, प्लीज़ मेक द टेबल एंड राइट डाउन. इन दिस व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट डाउन द नेम ऑफ योर फ्रेंड और एनी स्टूडेंट food items that are eaten by him or her in a day. There are so many varieties of the food that we eat. So suppose we are eating rice at home. How do we prepare this rice? We take raw rice, we boil it in water. So the materials that are needed to prepare the rice food, राइस को जब हम बनाने के लिए प्रिपेयर करने के लिए जो भी मटीरियल्स हम यूज़ करते हैं, those materials are called ingredients. We call them ingredients. So these ingredients are needed to prepare boiled rice. On the other hand, some food items are made with many ingredients. For example, vegetable curry. For vegetable curry, you need to have vegetables, salt, spices, oil and so on. Okay, so in activity 2, first of all, you will write down the food item that your friend ate. Suppose it is given in example roti or chapati, and on the other side it is given ingredients. So what are the ingredients that are used to prepare chapati? We used atta and water as ingredients to prepare this food item. In the similar way, to prepare dal, the ingredients used are pulses, water, salt, oil, ghee and spices. In third column, write down on your own what are the food items that will prepare with the given amount of ingredients. Now, where does this ingredients come from? ये ingredients कहाँ से आते हैं? These ingredients come from plants or maybe animals. So main source of food for us is plants and animals. It may be easy for us to guess the sources of some of the ingredients. Foods and vegetables, for example, they come from plants. These are the sources of rice or wheat, paddy or wheat fields with rows of plants. All these gives us grains such as rice and wheat. Other than these, there are some food items like milk, eggs, meat, chicken, fish, prawns, beef, pork and some others like this. These items we get from the animals. So in third activity, what we will do, we will write with food item the ingredients that are used to prepare the food items and from where these ingredients we got. कहाँ से मिले वो आपको ingredients? Suppose rice we got from plants, उड़द दाल we got from plants, salt is prepared from the salty water. Water कहाँ से आता है? From the rivers. Then in second one example आपको दिया है chicken we get from animal. Where do we get spices from? We get it from plants. Oil or ghee from plants and animals. Water from rivers. In this way prepare this chart. Now what do we conclude from all the above activities? We concluded that the plant are the sources of food ingredients like grains, cereals, vegetables and fruits, and animals provide us with the milk, meat products, eggs, cows, goats, buffaloes. These are the animals that give us milk, and some other animals like camels, yaks are used in the deserts in hilly areas to extract milk. Now from this milk we prepare some other milk products like butter, cream, cheese, curd. These all are prepared from the milk itself. The process of making curd is called curdling. The process of making cheese जब हम बनाते हैं it is called cassiculture. And the process of extracting honey from the honey bees is known as apiculture. उसको हम apiculture बोलते हैं. Now तो how do these honey bees prepare honey? Honey bees कैसे prepare करती हैं? They extract the nectar from the flower. What is nectar? Nectar is a sweet juice that is present in the flowers. Honey bees extract these sweet juices. They collect it in their beehives, and in the beehive, from the beehives we extract it for our use. So these are the edible, some of the edible forms of plants. Plants की कुछ edible parts होती हैं that we use. Edible means eatable. Eatable parts of the plants are used by us. Either it's animal or a plant. For example, we take banana. We use bananas fruit and stem. Banana का जो fruit होता है उसको हम as an eatable part use करते हैं. As well its stem is used. उसके stem को भी use किया जाता है. So in this activity 4 जो आपको दिया है, you will first of all prepare, write down the food item, then ingredients that are used in this food item, then write down that which part of the plant you used as ingredient. For example, brinjal. Which part of plant of brinjal is used as an ingredient? Its fruit is used as an ingredient. Some of the parts of the plants we eat in daily life includes the sprouted seeds also. Now what are these sprouted seeds? Sprouted seeds क्या होती हैं? Sprouted seeds are the seeds of moong, chana that you keep overnight dipped in water, and other day when you tie it in a wet cloth and keep it aside for some minutes, you will find some white structure growing out of those seeds. उस मूंग और चना में से आपको क्या दिखेगा? There will be a white structure that will grow out of it. It is nothing but a kind of germination. वो germination का ही एक part होता है. So these are the sprouted seeds which are healthy. When you add them some spices, it becomes very tasty and very healthy for your body. So these are some of the plants products that we eat in our daily life. Now what do animals eat? This is about us, that we eat these foods. What do animals eat? Animals can be classified as herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, scavengers and decomposers. Now herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, we have done it in earlier chapters also. We have discussed it in the food habits of animals. Food habits क्या होती हैं animals की? The kind of food eaten by all of them. किस तरह से वो खाना खाते हैं, कौन सा खाना खाते हैं. Herbivorous are the animals that eat only plants, जो सिर्फ plants पे survive करते हैं. Carnivorous are the animals that eat the flesh of other animals, and omnivorous are the animals which eat both plants and animals both. Other than these, there are scavengers and decomposers. What are scavengers and decomposers? Scavengers and decomposers are the small animals that live inside the soil. They eat the dead plants and animals. वो डेड प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स को ईट करते हैं, बट दे आर वेरी यूजफुल फॉर आवर एनवायरनमेंट. हमारे एनवायरनमेंट के लिए, हमारी अर्थ के लिए दीज एनिमल्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज दे रिमूव द डेड प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स फ्रॉम द सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ. वो उनको खा जाते हैं, दे ईट दैम, दे डिकम्पोज, हम उनको कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं, सॉइल में मिक्स कर देते हैं, जिस वजह से हमें अर्थ पे डेड बॉडीज एंड प्लांट्स नहीं मिलते हैं. ठीक है, डेड बॉडीज ऑफ प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स हमें नहीं मिलते हैं बिकॉज दे ईट, दे फीड ऑन दैम एंड दे कन्वर्ट दैम, दे डिकम्पोज दैम. Okay, so these are the scavengers and decomposers. Now look in the activity 7. Activity 7 में आपको क्या दिया है? 6 and 7 में, that in activity 6 write down some of the herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous animals. In activity 7 write down the animals and the kind of food eaten by each of them. Suppose buffalo eats grass, oil cake, hay and grains. Cat eats small animals, birds and milk. So write down what kind of food is eaten by all these animals. Got it everyone? So this is our first chapter. ये हमारा first chapter है. Explanation is over. I have sent you all the notes. Please write down in your science notebook clearly with good handwriting. Make proper diagrams and do the workbook workouts. Thank you. Goodbye everyone.